Hello everybody, this is grade 1 theory continued, and this is a second video on beaming notes, and it has also to do with stem direction. So it's just a few more things I want to tell you about beaming notes and stem direction. I don't really feel like my very quick explanation on video for beaming notes is perhaps as full as it could be. So please go to the ABRSM site, the syllabus site, with all the modules and explanations at www.mymusictheory.com, and go look at the way they explain it. Go through it very slowly and carefully. There are quite a few things that I may have missed in my very quick little videos that I'm showing you. I'm basically giving you some breakdown of the concept and fleshing out a couple of the things that you have to know, but I may not be giving you absolutely every bit of the information that you need. Right, so this is about stem direction. So if you go to the middle line on this staff or stave, right, and you write a note on this middle line, the third line from the top and from the bottom, if you write a note and you put the stem can either go down or up. It doesn't matter which way it goes as long as it's on this middle line. The moment your note goes under the line, you see there's the line there, your stem goes up. It sort of makes sense. It's as if that's a water line, and the moment your note sinks below the water line, the stem wants to bob up towards the surface. And the moment your note goes above this middle line like that, the stem should go down. And maybe you could imagine something like a balloon rising through the water line and the string of the balloon pointing downwards like that. So very simple. Look for the middle line. If your note's on the middle line, the stem can go up or down. If the note is above the middle line, the stem goes down. If it's below the middle line, it goes up. In beaming, it can get a little bit complicated because you may end up with something like this, and you may have to beam these semiquavers, right? The notes with the two flags, the semiquaver. But here we see that there's the middle line, note below, and two notes above. And what I like to do is I just like to say that the majority of the notes are either above the middle line, which they are, and there's one on the middle line which can go either way. So in this case, what you'd want to do is you'd want to put the stems going on the bottom, simply because this is above, this is above, this is on, and there's only one note below the middle line. So the majority of notes rule, and in this case the stems go down. Okay, let's try it the other way around. So the same thing here, the stems would be coming down because the majority of the notes are above, above, on, and there's only one note below, so your stems would go down. So that has to do with stem direction. Another thing is the stem direction usually follows the contour of the notes. So if you have notes going downward like this, you want to have the stem going parallel to the notes like that. But sometimes you get something like this. Right, and in this case, you certainly don't want to have the stem following the direction of the notes. So you're welcome to draw a straight double stem line at the bottom of that example. So if you feel that the stem can't follow the contour of the lines, just simply make it straight. Okay, there's one other one.